recording when you were stressing me out, telling me to put the brakes. Oh my god.
Say hi.
Hello? How's it going, people? This is how we do it in Randolph. Hold on.
Oh hell no. She is no longer allowed to be videotaped while driving. Yeah. I don't think this is gonna happen. Whoa, stop it. Don't be getting all up in the sauce.
She said don't be getting up in the sauce. Ain't no cheese. Show them how we do it in the hood. Show them our hood. Really?
It's all suburbs.
But after you show them I wear glasses, are we kidding me?
Yo, what?
So we're gonna really show them that I wear glasses?
So? I got my glasses on too. Who gives a crap? Alright, say ciao. I said say ciao. No, ciao.